shit! We're out here on Highway 74. Damn. Damn. Yeah, bro, this girl, right? I was inside my house and heard her. She. Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Are you okay? Yeah. Damn! Let me go check on them real quick. You stay here, get on the side of the road. Everybody all right?
Put your hazards on. Put your hazards on. I didn't see you.
Okay. Yeah, no, you're fine. They crashed. We gotta make sure they can see us.
Yeah.
Get the baby out. The side of the road.
Oh my God. Did you call 911 yet?
Yes. No one's on the way. Are you hurt at all?
No, I'm fine. I'm
Okay.
fine. I'm fine.
Okay.
Wait, no one's in the car.
Bro, they were. You almost hit them. But she's all right. She's all right. You stay there, all right? Call 911 and inform them about another hit.